Hello, my dear Virgos. Virgos, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for the month of September. Please take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Do not try to impose this reading. This is a general guided messages for your love life, career, and finances. So let's see what the universe has in store for you for the month of September, Virgo. Universe, please show me what is in store for Virgo for the month of September. Too many cards. Wow, the energy is very strong, Virgo. So something is coming very fast towards you. It's a change because my deck is not in my control and it's falling all over. Please show me what I need to see for Virgo. 5 of Cups, 9 of Pentacles. So you might be connecting with a Aquarius, another Virgo. This is your energy, Virgo, that you are currently counting your pentacles. You are very happy with the 6 of Wands. It's a Leo energy, Page of Pentacles. So the change that I'm seeing is that with the 5 of Cups, you had some disappointments in the past, and you were actually reminiscing in the past, and what universe here is guiding, you should just let go of the past and look at the new opportunities which are coming towards you for the month of September. With the 9 of Pentacles, they are asking you to focus on your strengths. Try to work on your skills and try to build them further. Maybe do a refresher course in whatever field you are in, so that you can have a side business as well. So what I see here is that there are multiple sources of income that you can work on because you are a creative person. So with a 9 to 5 job, what they are showing me is that you should start something of your own so that you can have multiple sources of income and you can have a secure future with this additional income. And there are some people who are due for promotion, and which I'm seeing here is going to happen very soon. You're going to be rewarded for the hard work that you've done. And again, a Sagittarius energy here with the Empress. I'm seeing a Taurus connecting to you, Virgo. So yes, so with the this news is coming, going to be announced very soon. So maybe you are presenting, you have a very big presentation to management, and you are going to be successful in that presentation. And bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. Yes, so new opportunities coming towards you, and you will be like a princess. You are complete in yourself. You are abundant. You are financially strong. And with the Temperance, this energy is showing me that you with this new big new venture that you're going to start, whatever side hustle that you're going to start, you will be able to balance that very nicely. So with this job, you will have this a little project of yours which will be very successful. And with this Empress energy, you are in a you are abundant, you are very attractive. So you will attract a lot of positive energy. Your talents will be recognized, your hard work will be recognized. And with this Page of Pentacles is again some new ideas which are flowing to you with this new business ideas of yours. You should work on that, and which is going to be very successful. Yeah, currently multiple ideas you are having, and maybe multiple people are connecting with you, trying to offer you new opportunities, maybe trying to engage you with and appoint you for their company. But yes, you should focus on what is good for you, and you should identify which opportunity is the best and where you can actually utilize your full potential. And this new opportunity is going to be very good for you. So but again, universe is saying that you should try and identify what is best for you as per your skills. and maybe this is an you're also getting an overseas opportunity. Maybe it is not in the same city or in the same country that you're currently in, or maybe this opportunity requires a lot of travel. So universe here is asking you to balance your work life balance is very important for you. So you need to balance, you need to focus on your self. You need to you should not strain yourself too much with work, because health is also very important. That is something, the message that I'm getting here. And with the Four of Pentacles, you are thinking that the finances are very important for you. You want to be financially secure, so you are a little concerned by this. Yes, see again, the Empress, Lovers. So Empress confirmation here. So you are a complete package, my dear souls. You should not doubt yourself. This new partnership is going to be very good for you. You will be very successful. This new beginning is going to be an excellent opportunity for you. You should not think twice. This is the energy that I'm getting. All right, people, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in your next reading. Do let me know whether you want to have more of a love guidance or a career guidance. I will try and do the next reading accordingly. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye.